Did you know you can watch this video in your own language? Just tap the setting gear, click audio track and select your own language right now. It's that simple. Enjoy the video. Hello foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you are from our Karnataka, you know this isn't just a dish. It's a winter hug in a bowl. And if you have never had it, prepare to meet your new obsession. Today we are diving into the heart of authentic South Indian comfort food, that's Hitikida Avarebele Saaru, or the hyacinth bean curry. We are talking about fresh sprouted hyacinth beans, slow cooked in fragrant, tangy and spicy broth. The aroma alone is irresistible. Forget boring breakfast and dinner. This recipe is simple, soulful and absolutely perfect with dosas and hot ragi mudde. Get ready to learn the secret to the perfect traditional taste. Let's get started and let's cook. These are the ingredients required to make this perfect curry. Here I've taken nearly 2 teaspoons of roasted rice, dry roasted one, nearly 2 teaspoons of it, and some chopped coriander, onions, salt, turmeric and slit green chilies 4, and this is the hero of the recipe, that's sambar powder. Nearly 3 teaspoons of the sambar powder is required. And for the masala, we are taking coconut, tomatoes and some onions, garlic, and this is known as the fried onions, just sauteed with little bit of oil, and nearly 4 teaspoons of oil is required. And for the tempering, we required some crushed garlic, jeera, mustard, dry chilies and some curry leaves. This is totally enough. Let's keep this aside. Now this is the main hero. This is the hyacinth beans, or we call it as a Avarebele in our language. These hyacinth beans are only seasonal in this winter season and one of the most tastiest beans you can taste. I have nearly soaked it, peeled the skin and kept it in water, and these beans are now ready. We'll use this in this recipe. Let's keep this aside. Now let's see how to make this special masala. To this I'm taking a blender jar. To this I'm going to add 4 tomatoes. And here comes a half a cup of fresh coconut. You can take grated coconut also. I'm just taking the choppings of it. And we'll add the roasted onions. I have taken 1 onion, just sauteed it for about 2 minutes on the high flame, and then add this into this mixture. It will give a beautiful flavor to the recipe. And here nearly 2 teaspoons of raw rice I have taken. You can take any rice for that matter. Just dry roast it on a pan for about 2 minutes and we'll add 2 teaspoons of it. It will give the thickness to the curry. Now here comes the garlic. I have added nearly 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, and I'll add little bit of a water and we'll make a fine paste of it. Now look, it seems to be done. Let's open the lid and see. Let's check it. Oh yes, this is how the paste should be fine. Now this is done. Let's keep this aside. Now I have taken a heavy bottom pan. To this I'm going to add nearly 3 teaspoons of oil. When the oil gets heat, we'll add some green chilies, say around 4 green chilies, and we'll add half of the chopped onions, and we'll saute until the onions are translucent, and it will take anywhere between 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see everything is perfectly done. At this time we'll add some turmeric. Give it a nice mix. I'm adding turmeric in the last because it doesn't burn. So at this time we'll add the hyacinth beans, that's Avarebele. Add everything into this. Give it a nice mix so that the oil coats everything. At this time we'll add required amount of water. Say assume a 1 liter of water. That too I'm adding hot water to this. and we need to cook these beans until it's 70% done. So now it's raw. I will need to bring the water to boil. When the water is boiling, we'll close the lid and allow them to cook for about 10 minutes or so. You can see here after 10 minutes, the beans are nicely cooking. If I can show you, look at this. The beans are perfectly cooked. If I can mash it like this now, it's little bit powdery. You can see that. It means it's 70% done. So at this time, we'll add nearly 3 teaspoons of Sambar powder. If you want the link for this recipe, I have given that in the description, and also will pin it into the I section. We'll add required amount of water to adjust the consistency, and we'll add required amount of salt, add according to your taste, and give it a nice mix and allow this to cook for about another 3 to 5 minutes. You can see the beans are perfectly done. It's about nearly 80% cooked right now. It has little bit of a powdery texture to it. Till now it means that it's still cooked for about 80%. At this time we'll add the prepared masala. Add some water, don't waste anything. We'll just shake it off from the jar. Add this into the pan and we'll adjust it by adding some salt and give it a nice mix. Now everything is done. Close the lid and allow this to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until the raw smell of the masala goes. Now look, it's been nearly 4 to 5 minutes. Now this curry is perfectly done. You just need to check the beans is cooked or not. Now if you can smash it into your finger, now look, it's breaking perfectly. It's buttery smooth. Then it's time to add the tempering. For this I'm taking a pan. In this I'm going to again add nearly 3 teaspoons of oil. When the oil is hot, we'll add some mustard seeds, and then we'll add some jeera. Here comes the crushed garlic. This is the most important thing, don't skip it. And we'll add nearly 2 strands of curry leaves. And finally goes the dry red chilies. And give it a nice mix and saute until it's a little bit roasted. If you don't want to add the garlic, now you can add some asafoetida also, but I highly recommend to add the garlic. Now this tempering is done. Now let's add this tempering to this curry. Finally we'll add some chopped coriander leaves, and that's it. Our winter special, the Avarebele Saaru, that was the Hitikida Avarebele Saaru, is now ready. And there you have it. Our incredible, authentic Hitikida Avarebele Saaru is now ready to transport you straight to our traditional village. Try it out and let me know in the comments what's your favorite thing to pair this Saaru with. Is it rice, ragi mudde, or my favorite, dosa? Now before you click away, I have a small spicy request for you. If the Saaru warmed your heart today, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like it's the last tempering oil left in the pan. Don't let the flavor stop here. Join our community so you never miss another delicious journey. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, this is Deepaks signing off on Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara. Happy cooking. Do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.